Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the new features in Copilot Studio. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, now you have GPT-5 chat. And this feature is now generally available in the European Union and United States. This means makers can confidently use this model in production scenarios for workloads that could benefit from GPT-5. You can enable GPT-5 chat directly from an agent's overview page. So you can go to the agent's overview page. You can even set it as the primary model for the scenarios like high volume employee support or step-by-step process guidance. So here you can see that if you will go to the overview of your agent, there you will have an option to choose an agent's model, and from that you can choose GPT 4.1, GPT-5 chat, GPT-5 auto, all these models you can choose. Apart from this, there is GPT 5.2 series, which is available as experimental model for the United States region, and it is available only for the US customers at this time. These models improve performance across the board, including coding and multilingual use cases. So this model can be very helpful in coding and multilingual projects or scenarios. This model also replaces the GPT 5.1 series, including in any agents created using GPT 5.1 models. Since these models are experimental, they are best suited for test scenarios rather than production. Another feature is that combine autonomous workflows with human judgment. So one of the most important evaluation this month is human in the loop, which is called as HITL. It is now in preview. And this capability lets agents pause and ask for human input before moving forward. Right? So that may sound simple, but it fundamentally changes what organizations can trust agents to do. So now there will be a human in the loop for doing a certain task. With this feature, an agent can send a structured request delivered as an Outlook form to designated reviewers. Once the reviewer responds, the agent resumes and uses the submitted values as parameters. This provides real-time human judgment without disrupting the overall workflow. And for that purpose, you can click on add an action. From there, you can choose this request for information, which is in preview at this time, which is not available for production. HITL is especially useful when an agent needs clarification, additional context, or explicit approval to proceed. It supports scenarios such as confirming project updates, confirming procurement orders, validating financial reports, escalating complex customer support cases, resolving ambiguous data, or gathering information that only a person can provide. The result is more flexible and reliable automation that adapts to real-world conditions. So if you want to use HITL, open the agent building experience and select add tool, right? Choose the request for information preview action under the human in the loop connector, then configure fields such as title, message, assignee, and the inputs. The agent will automatically trigger the request whenever the workflow calls for it. Another feature in Copilot Studio is that you can add a curated Outlook and SharePoint tool groups to agents for faster setup. So makers can now streamline agent configuration by adding curated action groups from Outlook and SharePoint connectors, which is now in preview. Instead of identifying and configuring individual actions one by one, teams can bring in complete sets of related tools such as manage emails, manage files with a single collection. This makes it easier to equip agents with the capabilities they need to support common workflows across communication and content management. Each action group contains the most relevant and reliable tools for its scenario. To use the action groups, open an Agent's Tools section, select Add Tool, choose Outlook for SharePoint, and pick the tool group you want to add. This provides a faster, clearer, and more guided way to build workflow-ready agents. Another feature is that you can use the latest GPT-5 chat capabilities in Agent Builder. So Microsoft 365 Copilot now uses GPT-5 chat when responding to prompts in agents created with Agent Builder. This brings immediate improvements to speed, quality, and accuracy in carrying out instructions. Organizations relying on agents built in Microsoft 365 Copilot will see immediately quality improvements in employee support, decision guidance, and informational use cases. No additional configuration or opt-in is required where GPT-5 chat is available. GPT 5.2 is also now available to use in Microsoft 365 Copilot with both web and work data. This new model series brings improvement, code generation, and multilingual capabilities. Users with a Microsoft 365 Copilot license received priority access to GPT 5.2 on December 11, 2025. So these are the new features in Microsoft 365 Copilot Studio. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.